Welcome to Tech Geek. This is my first video. Here in this Tech Geek videos, I would be talking about the technological aspects of computers, as well as few tips that would improve the usage of the computer to free its space, and anything that is related to technology would be updated in this video. Okay, first in today's video we are going to talk about what we would learn here is we would learn how to clean the space from C drive. Most often what happens is when we are using a computer, after some time, after using it for a couple of days, we find that our computer has grown slow. When we check out the C drive, most often what we do, it happens due to the accumulation of cache, the data cache, which includes the various aspects of history, the different programs that we have access through, or the different websites we have gone through, the different videos. All that information is stored in your computer at the back of it, so that occupies space, leading to slowing of our computer. So cleaning space from the C drive is a very important aspect to fasten your computer. So we are going to learn how to do it. There are 5 ways of doing it. Okay, there are 5 ways of doing it. One is, go to Windows button, press R. You would see a run dialog like this. Type prefetch. The auto typed is coming because I've already done it, so it is showing that. Click OK. Once you click OK, a dialog asks you whether you would like to continue to get access to this. You say continue. Select all and delete, and press delete button. So what all the items that are there in prefetch are washed. Okay, there might be some files that are related to the programs that are currently running. So if the something comes like this, where you are again asked whether you would like to delete this, do not do this for all the current items and say skip. Okay, so this is done. We have cleaned the prefetch. Now Windows R, the run dialog appears. Say temp, TEM, type temp. Okay, press the OK button, or press the enter button. So you will see all the cache files, the temporary internet files that are saved here. Select all, press the delete button. So it is all that is there in your temporary internet files are removed. Temporary files are removed. Now say Windows R, type %temp % and press enter or click OK. All the files are displayed. Select all of them and delete. Press delete. The same dialog appears asking if you would like to skip these or try again deleting. Do this for all the current items. Check that and say skip. Okay, all the remaining files are removed. Now click on the C drive. Open the Windows Explorer. Right click on the C drive. Right click on the C drive. Go to the properties. Okay, here there is something called as disk cleanup. Click on it. Okay, it shows me all that it says it can be removed. These are enlisted here. Okay, recyclable. Clean up system files. Okay, all those are automatically selected. Click on the clean up system files. Okay, it starts cleaning all the system backup related files that are occupying your cleanup, that are occupying your space. Okay, select all, system medium errors, all these, select all these items that are displayed here. The ones that have 0 bytes, no need to select them. The ones that are occupying a lot of space, select them. Large 257 byte temporary files in a temporary Windows installation files, that is 1.39 GB, thumbnails and all that. Okay, so you will be saving around total amount of space. Here it shows 1.72 GB of space. Click OK. Once you click OK, are you sure you want to delete these files? Yes, say delete files. Click on the delete files. 1.75 GB of your C drive space is saved. So that's a lot of space. And this, what would do is, this would speed up your computer. I would be touch basing on other aspects of it. Okay, then say OK here. Now earlier it was 22.9 GB, now you see 23.1 GB of space, 676. So there is an improvement of 1.7 GB of your space, so which would make your C drive lighter, as well as it would increase the space. First of all, it would increase the space. The load on the C drive is reduced. Once the load on the C drive is reduced, it means the speed of your computer is raised. So this is how you can increase the space of your C drive while you are increasing the or making your computer faster. Both the things are achieved here. Okay.